not using navigation to like get anywhere. I'm just using street signs and stuff. I'm a little confused here because I'm going to a place that I have wanted to go to, have wanted to take a trip to, and I didn't realize I was going there because the road is like this and it's freaking amazing. It's called Jerome. And I just entered Jerome, and there's a big J on the mountain up there. I don't know if you can see it. There's no shot. I don't know if this was like... I hope I'm going. I mean, I don't know where I'm going, but we're gonna just enjoy the road. Curves, mountain grades. We're within the Jerome city limits. Entering Jerome. Wow, that's an interesting curve. And it's a passing zone? Holy. And now it's a no passing zone. Speed reduced again. Wow, we gained a substantial amount of elevation. Speed limit 20 miles. It got really hot really quickly. Wow. And I'm in a hoodie. Oh, I'm so excited to see this. I've seen pictures of Jerome. I've never been here. Oh my God, this is gonna visor up for this one. I don't even care that we're going slow. What is this? How is that not collapsed? That's what's insane to me. Art studio. Look at all the houses on the mountainside. This is insane. $1 billion copper camp. Dang, that guy's got a squatted truck. Oh, come on, come on, come on. This is gonna look so cool. I wanna go through the town. I'm pretty sure the town is like a narrow road like this with just like buildings and shops like right on the road. Oh my God, look at this. I'm so glad that I stumbled upon this. I guess I never paid attention to like what towns were along the 89A. Unless I'm going down the wrong route to go back to the valley. I don't think so. Oh, that's sick. Oh, and the bike sounds cool too. Oh, what is this? This is so sick. Man, I want a house in Jerome. I want a house in Seligman. I want a house in Williams. I want a house in Flagstaff. Let's just keep it in low gear. Ghost City Inn, historic hotel. Oh! Why is this so... surely I'm not the only person that thinks this is really cool. Wait, where do I... Oh, okay, I can only go this way. Jerome Art Gallery? I feel like I'm really loud going through here. House of Joy? Is that what I think that is? This is sick. Of course, you gotta pay to park. Why not? Place for rent? Bobby D's barbecue pit. That's kind of tempting. If there was better parking. So you have to go through Jerome to get to Prescott. Dude, go. Fucking A. Whoa. All the bicicletas. What is this? Stone-fired pizza. Jerome Fire Department. I was about to park in front of it, but that's like a legitimate operational fire department. They'd probably be pretty angry if I did that. 1894 church. Oh, gravel clippings. Holy. Ooh. Jerome Tattoo. Ghost tours. Oh, that's right. This is a haunted town, or claims to be a haunted town. Haunted hamburger. Man, they're really running with that. Oh, I didn't even check the sign. I think this is the correct way. That's probably to some shops and stuff. This is sick. Jerome Grand Hotel. Surely that place is haunted, right? Scenic view in half of a mile. Good. If it's not absolutely crowded, I can take a look. Oh my gosh. Oh, if it's over there, I don't want to go to it. It's right over here, isn't it? Parking permit or something? I don't know what's going on. All I know is this guy in this dually, his truck stinks. I hate the smell of diesel. Oh my god, I hate it. Oh, no way. Oh, I apologize. Thank you so much. There's a scenic view, but I don't even want to look at it. I want to just enjoy the road. Are we going up again? Oh, I think I just saw a vehicle in the corner of my eye. Oh, okay, he's right there. We're chilling. Whoa, I just grabbed... I scraped my foot on the ground. Oh, this is so freaking cool! Who needs a sport bike? I don't know how I got so lucky that I got this all to myself. There's no way. This is amazing. this guy go ahead. I love when guys have got a backpack and the guys just, they're like, I don't need to wave. And the backpack waves every single time. It's the funniest shit. Whoa.